When first I left old England, sure such yarns as we were told, as how folks in Australia could pick up lumps of gold. So when we got to Melbourne town, we were ready soon to slip and get even with the captain and scuttle from the ship. With his swag upon me shoulder, Black Billy in me hand, I travel the bush of Australia like a true born native man.
Well, welcome everyone back to the channel. This is Ful-O Gold, out playing around again with the 6000. Not a bad day. A little bit of EMI at the moment because there's a bit of wind up and the weather's warming up a bit too, so we'll see what happens. I've got a faint signal over here. We'll dig it up and see what it is. Righto, so the signal is about right there at the left of the coil. So I am wearing headphones. Hopefully you might be able to hear that. Pick that up on the camera, but I'll give it a scrape. A bit of rubbish there. Give it a scrape, see what it is. So it was indeed a gold nugget. As you can see, it's been scraped. It was in a Kinder Surprise because things are starting to dry out, so can't complain about that. Very good. All right. Easy target. Been here 5 minutes. Doesn't always happen like that, I know. It's can be hard. All right. There's a mosquito following me around, so we'll be fighting them too. See what else happens. It's very, very faint before I scraped it. Now it's really got a bit louder, so, and it's showing a bit of quartz rock there, which is good news. But there is a bit of trash right next to it. Anyway, let's do this one-handed. Yep. See if it's not in that bit of quartz. No, still there. May have moved a little bit. Yeah, let's see what happens now. Definitely moved. Oh, maybe in this clump here. Might be in there, maybe. Yep, Kinder Surprise. In this clump. In this clump. Maybe up there a bit more. Oh, here it is. It's gold. Right there. Boom. Yeehaw. There you go, live dig, guys. And I missed that one with the SDC. Number 2. The other one was just over there. See what else I've left behind. And it's another signal, guys. Coming out of that big crater. that was the nugget I just dug. This one's not sounding bad either. So that's the camera that the coil's picking up. I think this is a scoop job. And of course, Mr. Mosquito and his mates. Yeah, so it's about here, I think. Yeah. Is that gold? I think so. Look at that. That's a decent size. Coming off of one of my old patches as well. How did I miss that one? Now I've got to clean that up. Nice and spiky. Look at that. It's like straight out of the reef. Now, hopefully you can hear me alright. There's a bit of wind too, but look at that. Doesn't get much better than that. Really, there's like 1, 2, 1 up there. Very impressed with the performance of the 6000. Anyway. I could play with that all day. Anyway. There is the thumbnail shot. Boom. Might as well go home now. Alright. On to the next one. Well, you're not going to believe this. And I just went to check the hole before I filled it in. And there is indeed another signal there. So I'll get back over here. Yeah, so it's about there. Now, if you can hear the detector being quite noisy, that is because it is picking up the camera. It isn't that I haven't noise cancelled and all that. It's just because I'm using this camera. That's quite a loud signal too. Hang on, I've got this mosquito I've got to take care of. Not there, not there. It's disappeared on me. Yeah, where's it gone? Actually, no, I think that might be it. No, I thought that was it. Where's it gone? There we go. Oh, it's over here. Ah, there's a mosquito on my face. Get away. Yeah. Change hands. Can't see anything yet. Oh, I got it in my hands. Whatever that is. Looks like lead. Oh, nope. That's gold. Gotta stand up. Oh, I drank some Portello before. now I have a pink mouth. So that's another rough gold specimen come out of that same hole. What is this? I like never... Last week I did a couple of days detecting with the 6000 and got nothing, no gold at all. And then today just a casual swing, and then boom, I've had one bit of lead so far and all these bits of gold. I don't know what's going on. But I'm not complaining, I'm having fun. Yeah. Anyway, cheers guys, I'll leave it here. No one really likes my videos anyway. I'm a bit boring. I sort of don't know what else to do, really, to make things more appealing, to get more views or whatever, but I'm just going to be myself. It's the best way to be. There can't be there can't be too... Who's the most popular YouTube prospecting channel? There's a few of them. There can only be one of them guys, right? So I'm just going to do me, alright? Don't care what you say, I'm just going to do me. Have my own schedule. Whatever. But this is gold. This is gold. This is raw. Raw cut. But the YouTube community is pretty cool though. The prospecting community on YouTube. Some really down to earth guys. We're all interesting. We all have a story. Particularly I like Chasing Gold Australia. Crouch from the Surfing Prospector. He's a really nice bloke. If you met him, good on you. If you haven't, better get onto that. He travels around a bit. Maybe not so much now, but I think he's got a trip planned coming up soon. Anyway, I better put that in my jar. I'm about to drop it. Right, guys. I'll see you in the next video.